So the first page, you can solve them algebraically. You don't need to graph them. If you could, if you wanted to, that's fine, but it'll take a lot longer. None of these have just a plain old x. They're all just an x squared, which means you can solve them just like a regular equation. I can divide this by 4, and you have x squared equals 4, and then square root it, and you get 2. The only thing you got to remember, it's easy to forget, is when you're solving these, you're going to get 2 answers. So your answer, once you find it, it's going to be plus or minus. So all of these, the answers will be plus and minus whatever you get.
Nice.
Because it would be a parabola that would cross at +2 and at -2. So just the evens, there's only 6 of them. So remember, like when you get to 32, you got to add 89, divide by 2, and then square root. And then it's plus or minus. The next page here, you don't have to graph them. We're just going to, you can do these on the calculator, like we just did.
Yes or no, but,
No, you got to find the answers.
oh, I thought it said check the solution.
They want you to do it graphically, but you don't need to draw it. You can just do it on the calculator to find the 2 answers.
Nice.
Okay? So remember on these though, you got to have everything on one side. It looks like all of them you got to move, except, well, you don't do 39. So like here, you'd have to move the 3 over. So what you punch in is x squared plus 2x. This would change to -3. So you got to put that in. 36, you got to move the -4 over. Here you got to move the 6 over. So just change the signs. This would move over, change to a -12. This would move over, change to a -4x. You need to move it over and then put it in the calculator and then find the 2 solutions, like we just did. Okay.